It is so incredibly busy here, I can't even tell you, but it is very beautiful as well. I'm at the Grand Palace in the center of Bangkok and it's really, really loud. Behind me is the City Pillar Shrine. So, as with a lot of these temples and religious places, the Grand Palace does not allow for people to go in with exposed legs or exposed tattoos. We knew that already. So I've just gone to a street vendor and bought these rather lovely funky long pants. So now I should be all legal. We are in business, ladies and gentlemen. We have just gained access and we are all good. Just so you know, I'm not wearing this hat backwards for fashion, it's the brim keeps. But I think I've said that before in these vlogs, so I'm just restating the point. To let you know, the entry to the Grand Palace costs about 25 Australian dollars. I'm not sure what that is on anything else, but that's about 5,000 baht, or 500 baht. 500 baht. It's $25. So, I'm not sure what's going on there though. I've just left the Grand Palace and now I'm searching for some lunch, something to eat. See what we can find. Better for the environment, we've got 2 apples with these styrofoam sponge nets to keep them cushioned, wrapped up in cling film on a plastic tray, none of which is recyclable. Won't be buying that. So I walked up and down the street and the only thing I could find was corn on the cob. So I've just smashed a corn on the cob. Smashed the corn on the cob. Now I'm going to make my way back into the city centre and try and find a phone sim. There we go. Slide down the stairs. Well, I think it's going to be just difficult all around trying to get a vegan meal in Bangkok. Just a struggle to be understood if I was ordering off of the menu. or like not on the menu, something that was not on the menu, like maybe just rice and vegetables, it's going to be a struggle. Like I say, I could have gone with Subway. I decided to just go with the easy corn on the cob, boiled, salted. But I'm starving. It's like 6 o'clock now, and I'm heading to the city centre to try and find this SIM card. Wish me luck. This part of town is called Siam, and it's where I'm coming to get a phone SIM. So found somewhere to eat. It's called Veganery Seoul, and everything here is vegan. Look at the menu though. Whole book full of vegan stuff. The problem here is there's too much choice, and I want to try everything. Come to Thailand, have green curry, roti and iced tea.